Hey everyone, my name is Angel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I use props to get better poses. So every time I take a picture, I'm always figuring out if there's a way to introduce a prop that goes with the picture so that I give models something to do with their hands. Now, even though there's many different places to position your hands in, after a while some of these poses get too boring and generic, and having a prop really makes your arms look very interesting. You could be grabbing onto a gun, a scarf, an accessory, just putting your hand on anything will really make the picture look a lot better. So I always tell models, bring sunglasses, a scarf, a jacket, a purse, something that will help me maybe down the line in the picture if I'm really stuck in where to place your arm. Now I could place this somewhere, but if she places it somewhere else while holding on to something, the picture sometimes looks better. So really try this out and see how you can use props to get better positioning for the arms.